Hello everyone, I am Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonate with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today I am back after a week. I was not feeling well, but thanks to angels and all of your blessings and good wishes, I am doing fine now. So, let's start with today's pick a card reading. It's about who will you marry and when. We will also look into the zodiac signs. So, we have three piles in front of you: pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. For those of you who don't know how to select a pile, you can choose the pile by looking at the crystals or with the number pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, or with timestamps as well if you feel more attracted to numbers, or with your intuition as well, the pile you feel most drawn to, most attracted to. So now meditate on each pile and choose the pile with your intuition as well. Take your time, pick a pile, and once you are done with the selection, you can check the description box below and forward the video to your respective timestamps. Welcome pile 1 for those of you who choose this crystal. Now let's see what messages do we have for you and who will you marry and when. So first let's start with the tarot deck. Then we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle and the Monology Oracle. And we will look into the messages from the Romance Angels. And to know when you people are going to get married, we will look into the cards from the Angels' answers. So pile 1, let's start with tarot deck first. So from the tarot deck, we have for you the Moon card. Then we have the Death card. Okay. Then we have the Nine of Swords. Okay. Then we have the King of Pentacles. Then we have the Empress. We have the Eight of Wands. We have the High Priestess. And we have the World card. Okay. So pile 1, talking about their zodiac sign, I feel that, like we have all the signs here. We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have fire sign as well, that is the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. We have earth sign as well, that is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And also we have the water sign, that is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. But I feel that they could be mostly a water sign, that is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. And also I feel that they could be Libra and Aquarius as well. But yes, we have all the signs, but mostly they will be a water sign. So now let's start with the reading. So pile 1, I feel that the person you are going to marry, they will be very knowledgeable person. Yes, and also someone who is very giving in nature, someone who is very helpful in nature. and to whom people come for advice. Yes. And also I feel that they will be very intuitive as well, and they likes to spend time by themselves. And also I feel that um, they could be drawn towards spirituality as well. Yes. And you know at times you are going to find themselves very mysterious as well. Yes, but they will be full of wisdom and knowledge. Yes, a very mature person as well. Yes. And um, also, pile one, I feel that you people, my viewers, you could have had a past, and and once you move out of that relationship, this new person is going to come into your life, because I feel that my viewers are a very um, in a very they are feeling very negative, are having negative emotions, and you people couldn't sleep well at night. Yes. And you are having that anxiety, that fear about your future. Yes, I feel that you people are worrying a lot, and deep inside, um, you people are not feeling happy. You're really worried. It could be because you people have left your past a relationship, and now you are worried, like whether you are going to find that love of your life or not, whether you are, for some I feel that you people are even worried that even you people are going to get married or not. Maybe you people are having that thoughts, I feel so. So pile one, you need not worry, because I see that you people are going to have a very beautiful future. Yes. And that new person is going to come into your life once you move out of your uh, past relationship, from that relationship which was very unhealthy and very toxic, which was not giving you any kind of happiness as well. And as you move forward, yes, that new person is going to come into your life. And I feel that for some of you, that new person, they could be living in another place, they could be from another city. And even I feel that for some of you, they could be from another country as well. But anyway, I feel that while one, you people are going to travel a lot after your marriage. Yes, like your world is going to change, and you will be traveling a lot for sure. And also, pile one, I feel that the person you are going to get married to, they will be financially very secure and very practical as well. Yes. And I also feel that they will be very grounded person. Yes. Very, you know someone who is very good in nature. Yes. Also I feel that Palwan, you know uh, your life is going to be very comfortable after marriage. Yes. And financially also your life is going to be very sound. Yes. And also for some of you, I feel that you people are going to be very laid back on your career after your marriage. Maybe because you people are going to have a lot of abundance on a financial level, also on an emotional level as well. And also I feel that pile one, you people are going to be very creative after your marriage. Like a lot of opportunities are going to open up for you after your marriage. And also, I feel that, your marriage is going to be very harmonious and full of love as well. Yes, and also, pile one, as you can see in this card, there is a sun at a distance. So I am getting the vibes that, this marriage, the relationship between the two of you, it is going to progress and get a lot better with time. Yes, and yes, they will be very wise person, and very successful. And I also see that, your lifestyle is going to change a lot after your marriage. And I see that you people will be celebrating a lot, traveling a lot as well. And I feel that some of you could even, move to a new country as well after your marriage. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, pile 1. So, from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, we have for you, pile 1. Oracle, wait for important information. Okay. Then we have Hermit, retreat and recharge. Okay. And we have Druid, hold the space. Okay. So, pile 1, I feel that the person you are going to marry, they will be, a truth speaker, and they are going to tell you exactly what you need to hear in order for you to move forward and in order for you to grow in your life as well, in your career as well. So yes, they are going to tell you the truth. Yes, and also, pile 1, angels, they are guiding you that you need to look for, important signs and messages before you move ahead in your marriage. Yes, and also they are guiding you that you need to listen to your intuition as well, and you need to know that, angels, they are supporting you. Yes, and also I feel that pile 1, you people need to spend time by yourself, in order for you to recharge your energies, connect with yourself. Maybe because, for some of you, you could have ended your relationship in the past, and you were in a toxic relationship, and you need to get out of this negative situation. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that you need to, spend time in deep thought, and you need to, connect with your self before you move ahead. And also you need to listen to your heart. Also, pile 1, I feel that, you people need to shift your perception, about how, you look at things. And maybe you people are worrying a lot about your future. So angels, they are guiding you that you need to trust in the process, and look within yourself, listen to your inner voice. And yes, I also feel that, the one you are going to get married, yes, they will be someone, who is, as I told you earlier, who could be drawn to spirituality, and they also like to do meditation. Yes, and they'll be talking about their health. Like, I feel that they'll be very health conscious. They like to do meditation. They like to do, they like to stay fit. And yes, they'll be in a very good shape. Yes, and I also feel that, for some of you, they could be from UK as well. Also, I feel that for some of you, um, they could be into poetry or writing. Uh, yes, and yes, but yes, this relationship, yes, it is going to grow and get a lot better with time. All you need to do is, Palwan, you need to follow your inner guidance. You need to listen to your heart as well. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the Monology Oracle. What guidance we have for you. So, we have for you the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Okay. And we have you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Okay. So, yes, pile one, as I told you earlier, yes, they will speak the truth no matter what, and they are going to be very expressive as well. Uh, I also feel that, you people uh, could have already met them. Maybe some of you know them already. Yes, and also, I feel that, the one you are going to get married, they likes to flirt with you. Yes, you are going to have a very happy marriage, pile one. And I also feel that there will be a lot of communication in this marriage. Yes, you are going to have a very, uh, joyful life. Your people are going to enjoy a lot. And also, I see that your social life is also going to be very good. Yes, and also I feel that, a new start is coming in for you. Yes, and I also feel that, um, pile one, you people, you need to spend some time, near water. Yes, because I feel that, if you spend time near water, then yes, that is going to bring you that inner peace that you are seeking, and it is also going to help you, to get out of all these worries and anxiety and fear. Yes, and also, pile one, you people need to know that, whatever is happening or whatever is going to happen, that is for your own highest good, pile one. Yes, and angels, they are guiding you that yes, you need to take care of yourself, get out of this negative emotion. uh, Please have, positive thoughts, keep thinking positive. Yes, and be very optimistic about your love life, your marriage. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So, pile one, from the romance angels, we have for you: let go of control issues, allow this situation to unfold naturally. Then we have true love. Wow, this is the romance of a lifetime. Okay. Then we have stay optimistic about your love life. As I told you, yes, you need to stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Yes. and we have soulmate. Wow, yes, this is your soulmate. So we have true love and we have soulmate card. So pile one, yes, the person you are going to get married, they will be your soulmate, they will be your true love. So you need not worry about your marriage. So yes, pile one, angels, they are guiding you that you need to let go of control issues, and you know you need to let go of any negative emotions, any worries, anxiety, any fear about the future, and you need to have faith in angels, and you need to trust the process and allow the situation to unfold naturally, rather than trying to control things. And yes, you need to stay optimistic, and as you keep having positive thoughts and have faith in angels, then yes, that new person is going to come very soon in your life. Yes. And pile one, you have true love and soulmate. So yes, angels, they want you to know that the one you are going to marry is your true love. All you need to do is, you need to keep thinking positive thoughts, keep praying, and also start visualizing positive things about your future, your marriage, because that is also going to attract that love and that new person in your life, pile one. So yes, this person is your soulmate. So I feel that you people are going to have a very beautiful marriage, pile one. You people are going to travel a lot. Your relationship with your partner is going to be full of love and very harmonious. Yes, a very beautiful energy, pile one. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the angels answers, and when are you going to get married. So we have for you within the next few weeks. Wow. And then we have in the near future. Okay, so um, yes, pile one, for some of you, yes, you could be getting married in the next few weeks. For some of you, I even feel that this could be in this month of October as well. And but it is going to happen, yes, very soon. And also angels, they want you to know that you don't have to wait much longer. Just keep thinking positive thoughts, have faith in angels, and yes, that is going to happen very soon in the near future, in the next few weeks. For some of you, yes, uh, could be in a month or so as well. So yes, that was all for you, Palwan. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile one. If the messages resonates with you, then please do let me know in the comment section as well. I would love to read your comments. So yes, I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all, and I hope you um, get married very soon, and I hope you people have a very beautiful marriage. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, pile 2. For those of you who choose this Crystal. Now let's see what messages we have for you and who will you marry and when. So we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, the Monology Oracle, and the Romance Angels and Angels Answers later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So pile 2 from the Tarot deck, we have for you the King of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Three of Swords. Okay. We have the Seven of Wands. We have the Knight of Pentacles. We have the Two of Pentacles. We have the Four of Wands. Okay. Then we have the Strength card. The Queen of Pentacles. And we have the Ace of Wands. Okay. So, pile 2, talking about their zodiac sign, we have water sign, that is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and we have earth sign, that is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, and we have fire sign as well, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So I feel that they could be mostly an earth sign, that is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or fire sign, that is Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. We have the card of Leo as well. Now let's get into the reading. So pile 2, I feel that the person you are going to marry, they will be very confident person. Yes, and they will be someone who always listens, and someone who is very loving, very understanding, and someone who is very connected with their emotions, a very supportive person. Yes, but I feel that pile 2, some of you, you may, have had a relationship in the past, and that relationship was very unhealthy, very toxic, and you move out of that relationship, and this new person is going to come into your life. But for some of you, I also feel that you have already met this person, and both of you could have been separated from each other, and you are waiting for them to come back. Yes, but yes, pile 2, the one you people are going to marry, I feel that they will be very hardworking person. Yes, and I also feel that they are working on their finances as well. Yes, they are working to build that wealth before they come and approach you for marriage. Yes, but yes, the person you are going to marry, they will be very honest person, very loyal towards you, and very trustworthy person. But I feel that right now, they could be confused whether to keep moving forward in their career, or to move towards you in this relationship, to offer you marriage. They are really confused right now. And I also feel that pile 2, that financially they are going to be very sound in future after the marriage of yes, after this marriage they are going to be financially more sound and more secure. Yes, also I feel that pile 2, you people are going to have a very um, stable marriage, and the relationship between the two of you, you people will have a very solid foundations. Yes, and there will be so much of love between the two of you, and I see that you people will be celebrating little you know little occasions. Yes, uh, I feel that uh, you know after your marriage just the two of you could be living together, like uh, I feel that you could be you know living away from your in-laws as well. Yes, I also feel that pile too that you people, you need to be very strong as well, and you need to acknowledge your inner strength, your inner power. Just know that angels, they are protecting you, they are guiding you in whatever is that you are going to do in your life. Yes, but you need to be very strong because for few of you I feel that there might be some issues with your in-laws after your marriage, even if you people know them before your marriage, but before they could seem nice people, you could have like you could have a very good relationship before marriage, but that could change for few of you, because I feel that after your marriage you might have some problem with your in-laws. So yes, I feel that you people need to be very strong. Yes, and I also feel that you people need to learn to create that healthy boundary as well. You people need to you know stand your ground, and also you need to learn to say no as well. Yes, you need to be willing to tell them that how much you are going to take from them, what is that you are going to accept from them, and what is that you are not going to accept from them. So you people need to stand your ground as well. For few of you I feel that, but for others of you I feel that you people are going to have a very um, yes, joyful marriage. Yes, even if you have problems with your in-laws, but still you and your partner, you both share a very good relationship with each other. Yes, I see the two of you are very happy in this marriage pile too. Yes, and also for a lot of you, I feel that after your marriage, your personality, your career, it is also going to grow a lot pile too. Yes, and you people are going to live a very comfortable life financially as well, and there are going to be a lot of opportunities coming up your way after your marriage. For some of you I feel that you people are going to uh, travel after your marriage. Yes, because I see a lot of movement in your reading. I also feel that while too that some of you, you could move to a new place after your marriage. Yes, and just as I told you earlier, just the two of you could be living together, you and your partner. Yes, but financially, yes, you people are going to have a very good life, and you know, your partner finances, that is also going to improve a lot after your marriage. Yes. Now let's see what messages we have for you, what guidance we have for you from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle. So, pile 2, we have for you Mountains, stand your ground. So, yes, angels, they are asking you that you need to be strong and you need to stand your ground. And we have Animal Guardian, trust your instinct. Okay. So, pile 2, the one you are going to marry, yes, they are going to be very strong and very wise person. Yes, but I also feel that, with these two cards, Mountain, stand your ground, and Animal Guardian, trust your instinct, that you people need to believe in yourself as well, and you people need to be very strong like mountains. Yes, you need to stand your ground, you need to create healthy boundaries as well. And I also feel that you people are going to learn a lot about your own self and your talents after your marriage. Yes, and you people are going to, connect with your inner self more after your marriage. Yes, and I also feel that, some of you people are going to be very expressive as well after your marriage, or maybe you people are very expressive in general. Yes. um, Also, I feel that, yes, the person you are going to marry, yes, they will be very talented, and also they will be very loving towards animals as well. But they will have that, very calm energy in them. Yes. Now, let's see what messages we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So, we have for you, have faith in your dreams, waxing crescent moon. Okay. Then we have balance spirituality and practicality. Then we have surrender to the divine. Okay. So, yes, pile 2, angels, they are guiding you that you need to, have faith in your dreams. You need to have faith in angels. And, with these butterflies in this card, yes, I see that uh, after your marriage, your life is going to be very positive. Yes, and there will be, your marriage is going to be, very positive, and it is going to get a lot better with time. Yes, I feel that, very happy times will be coming for you after your marriage. Yes. I also feel that angels, they ask you to, stay focused, and you need to have patience as well as you move forward in this marriage. Yes. And also, uh, I feel that for few of you, you might have some problems in your relationship, but you know uh, but I feel that that is going to be, um, all right with time. All you need to do is, you need to stay strong and have faith in angels. Yes. And also, angels, they ask, you to put effort in this relationship and keep moving forward in this marriage. Yes, and I feel that the one you are going to marry, they will be your soulmate pile 2. Yes. uh, Also, with this card, yes, I feel that you need to have balance between spirituality and and between your responsibilities as well. Yes. uh, Also, you need to let go of any fears, any worries, and you need to follow your inner guidance. I also feel that some of you people are going to you know come uh, you people are going to connect more with your spiritual side after your marriage. Yes. But you also need to focus on your career as well, and you need to stand strong. Yes. I also feel that some of you need to forgive someone. This could be maybe if you were in a relationship with someone who was not healthy for you, like that relationship was very toxic. So maybe some of you need to forgive your past. And also for some of you, I feel that this could be you know someone from your in-laws as well. So yes, you people need to let go of any negative emotions that you might be holding for someone. um, yes, and you need to stay calm as well. um, you know and also, I feel that you people need to work upon yourself as well, and you need to have faith in angels, and let go of trying to uh, control things, and surrender yourself to the divine. That is what angels are asking you. You need to have faith in them, and you need to know that whatever is happening, it is for your highest good. Pile 2. Yes, and also for some of you, I feel that uh, you people need to approach that person for marriage. For some of you, I feel that. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels, we have for you pile 2, playfulness. Okay. Then we have pay attention to the red flags. Okay. Then we have reconciliation. Okay. Then we have healing family issues. And we have heart to heart conversation. Okay. So yes, pile 2, angels, they are asking you that you need to have that playfulness, you need to have that romance in your marriage. Yes, in your relationship as well. If you already know this person, and for some of you, yes, we have the card of reconciliation as well. So someone from your past is returning to your life. So if you are waiting for your past to come back into your life, then yes, pile 2, for some of you, it is possible that someone from your past, they are going to come back into your life, and with them you are going to move forward. Yes. And also, with this card, I feel that maybe you need to pay attention to the signs, like, as I told you earlier, some of you might face some issues after marriage with your in-laws. So maybe angels are guiding you that you need to pay attention to those signs, and that you need to pay attention to your instinct, like when we meet someone, we get certain vibes that maybe this person is not what they look like, what they talk like. So yes, pay attention to any signs that you are getting. And also we have healing family issues. So yes, for some of you it could be like, as you or even your partner, yes, as you both forgive each other's parents, yes, your love life could benefit. So yes, you need to let go of any negative emotions, any grudges, any anger towards them, because I see pile 2 that you and your partner, you both share a very beautiful relationship with each other, and you have that solid foundations in your relationship. So I don't see any point in holding on to any anger, and uh, and trying to uh, uh, that and trying to create any unnecessary problems, any unnecessary issues in your marriage by holding any anger towards each other's parents or towards each other family members. So yes, you need to let go of any negative emotions, and you need to heal yourself as well. And yes, we have this card, heart to heart conversations. So yes, angels, they are guiding you that both of you need to discuss your feelings with each other honestly. Yes, and I feel that your partner is going to be very understanding, very supportive, someone who always listens to you. So yes, you people are going to have that honest conversation with each other. Yes, and I also feel that you people are going to have that understanding and that love towards each other. And I feel that the female energy, she is very much in love with her partner in this relationship. Yes, and I also feel that the female energy is much more expressive than her partner. uh, I also feel that pile 2, you people could tell that they love you by the way they look at you. Yes, uh, now let's see uh, when you people will be getting married, and what messages we have for you from the angels answers. So from the angels answer pile 2, we have for you, you are ready. Okay, and we have take action. Okay, so yes, pile 2, angels, they ask you that you need to take action, and you need to work and approach them for this marriage. And also yes, I feel that you people are going to grow spiritually after this marriage. Yes, and you have this you are ready card. So yes, pile 2, you people are ready to move forward for this marriage. Angels are asking you that you need to take action. Yes, and you need to have faith in your relationship. Yes, in angels as well. So, yes, that was all for you, Pile 2. I hope that the messages resonated with you and I hope you like my reading. So, if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonates with you, then please do let me know in the comments section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Pile 2. I hope you all have a good day and I hope you all have a very beautiful marriage. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Welcome, Pile 3. For those of you who choose this beautiful crystal, now let's see what messages we have for you and who will you marry and when. So, we will look into the messages from the Angels and Ancestors Oracle, the Monology Oracle, Romance Angels, and the Angels' Answers later. First, let's start with the Tarot deck. So, Pile 3 from the Tarot deck, we have for you the Page of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Nine of Cups. Wow. We have the Seven of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Three of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Lover's card. Wow. Then we have the Justice card. Okay. We have the Three of Wands. Okay. And we have the Magician. Wow. So, Pile 3, the first thing that I feel in this reading is, I'm getting a very good vibes, a very beautiful energy, Pile 3. Yes, now talking about their zodiac sign, I feel that the person you are going to marry, they could be a water sign, that is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, or an earth sign, that is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, or they could also be a Libra. Yes, but mostly I feel that they could be a water sign, that is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Yes, now let's get into the reading. Very beautiful energy. So yes, Pile 3, I feel that the person you are going to marry, they will be very cheerful person. Yes, a very charming person, and someone who is very educated and very expressive as well. For a lot of you, I feel that this is someone new. Yes, and they will be very spiritual and also very joyful in nature as well. Yes, and also Pile 3, you people are going to be your partner wish fulfillment, or they will be like everything you wish for in a partner. Yes, and I also feel that that person will be very humorous as well, and also I feel that they have that communication skill, like they could just meet a random person and they could just have a conversation, like they could just talk with anyone, a very cheerful person, a very social person as well. Yes, um, but yes, I feel that they could be working on their finances right now, to build that wealth before they commit towards you. But yes, I feel that they will be very educated, very scholar, like very full of wisdom and knowledge. Yes, very knowledgeable person. And also, I feel that both of you will have a very you know uh, deep, very spiritual connection. Yes. And I also feel that, pile 3, that this relationship, this marriage is something that angels and universe wants this to happen. Yes. This is going to be a very balanced and very harmonious relationship. And I feel that it is going to be based on love. Yes, like this relationship, this marriage is truly blessed, pile 3. Yes. Also, I feel that this could be a long distance you know relationship for some of you. If you have already met this person, if you are already in a relationship with someone, so you could be in a long distance relationship. Or also, for some of you, I feel that you could possibly meet them while traveling, or during a trip, on a holiday. Yes. um, but yes, I feel that there will be a lot of romance in this marriage as well. Yes. And for those of you who are already in a relationship, I feel that after your marriage, you people are going to have even more, even lot of romance and passion in this marriage, in your relationship. Yes. uh, Also, mm, I feel that pile 3, that this new person is going to enter into your life very soon, and you will be getting marriage proposals very soon. Yes. And I also feel that they will be very uh, powerful person, very strong. Yes. um, and also, yes, you have this magician card as well. So yes, angels, they they are giving you the opportunity that you can manifest and create what you want in your marriage, what you want in your partner. Yes. So keep thinking and visualizing positive thoughts and outcomes, what you want from your partner, what you want in this marriage. Because whatever you are going to think about your marriage, whatever you are going to visualize about your marriage, that is going to manifest for you, because you have this beautiful magician card. So yes, very beautiful energy, pile 3. Yes, a lot of love, and very truly blessed relationship is going to come very soon in your life. I feel that. Now let's see what messages we have for you, what guidance we have for you from the angels and ancestors oracle, pile 3. So we have for you eagle, see from a higher perspective. Okay. Then we have water guardian, connect with your emotions. Okay. And we have wise one, grow within your current situation. Okay. So pile 3, I feel that they will be very yes, very powerful and very courageous person. And also, they will be able to look at things from a different perspective. Yes. they will be very, broad-minded person. And with this card, I also feel that pile 3, you people also, you need to let go of anything that is holding you back. Yes, let go of any worries, any fears, and just know that you are going to have a very beautiful marriage and a very beautiful future, pile 3. Yes, and also I feel that the one you are going to marry, they will be very sensitive as well with this water guardian. Yes, and I also feel that you people, my viewers, you also need to acknowledge uh, your feelings, so that you people, you know will be able to understand the guidance that angels, they are trying to give you. Yes, so listen to your emotions, connect with your emotions, listen to your intuition as well. Yes, and just know that this marriage is supported and guided and blessed by angels. Yes, and also I feel that uh, the person you are going to marry, they will be very reliable and very trustworthy person and a very committed person as well. And also I feel that uh, even if you people have some problems, some issues in this marriage, you both will be able to overcome that, that hard times, that darker times, every time you people have any issue. And also you know you will come out of that situation, you know by becoming more loving and more understanding towards each other. So you people are going to grow your relationship and your love every time. Yes, and I see a very beautiful energy, in this marriage. Now, let's see what messages we have for you, what guidance we have for you from the Monology Oracle. So, from the Monology Oracle, pile 3, we have for you: don't let your past hold you back, South Node. Okay. Then we have emotions are running high, Supermoon. Okay. And we have you are very close to achieving your goal. Okay. So yes, as I told you earlier, I feel that someone is going to enter very soon in your life, and you people are going to get marriage proposals very soon. And we also have this card that you are very close to achieving your goal. So yes, I feel that you people are going to get married very soon, pile 3. Now, okay, let's see what messages we have for you. So don't let your past hold you back. So pile 3, you know uh, we have this card that south node, uh, south node is all about past, and sometimes even about past lives. So um, for some of you, I feel that this could be a past life relationship. For some of you, maybe you people have met each other in past lives as well. And also it could be about angels, they are asking you that perhaps you need to let go of some past belief, or any unhealthy attachment, anything that could be stopping you from moving into this beautiful relationship. Let go of anything that is holding you back as well. Yes, and also I feel that, this marriage is going to be full of good things and positivity. Yes, and this marriage is going to be very successful as well. Yes, uh, I also feel that, some of you are going to have that, special and that grand wedding as well. Yes, and also, uh, you know, yes, I feel that your marriage is going to happen very soon. And also, I feel that, angels, they are asking you that, uh, some of you, you may need to make, uh, certain adjustments as well in this marriage. Yes, but that is going to be for your own good. Yes, because I see all the good things and positivity and success in this marriage pile 3, a very beautiful energy and a very beautiful relationship between the two of you. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So pile 3, from the romance angels, we have for you calling in your soulmate. Okay, and we have few retreat. Okay, and we have flirt. Okay, we have getting to know each other, and we have past life relationship. Okay, and we have the south node, that don't let your past hold you back. So yes, as I told you earlier, so for some of you, yes, this could be a past life relationship as well. And you have this calling in your soulmate, like your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help you bring together. And you have this magician card as well. Yes, you have all that, that whatever you are going to visualize, you are going to uh, thinking about your marriage, that is going to manifest for you. A very very beautiful energy pile 3. So yes, keep praying, keep visualizing, and yes, about your soulmate. Yes, about this marriage, and yes, they are going to come very soon in your life. And we have the retreat card as well. So it's time to disconnect from the world. So like I said earlier, yes, some of you could meet them, while traveling, during a trip or on a holiday as well. Yes, and yes, there is going to be a lot of, you know romance, and your partner is going to flirt a lot with you. You people are going to have that love and that beautiful, uh, yes, that passion, that beautiful relationship, with each other in this marriage. Yes, and also we have this getting to know each other card. So angels, they are asking you that you need to, reveal, you need to talk about your desires, your wishes to each other. And as you reveal your, yourselves to each other, your bond is going to uh, deep get deep as well. Yes, and then we have this past life relationship. So yes, you people could have met each other in the past lifetime. You were together in past lives, and you people are going to come together in this lifetime as well. Now let's see what message we have for you, and when are you going to get married. What message we have for you from the angels answers pile 3. So we have for you perfect timing. Okay, so yes, pile 3, angels, they want, you know, they want you to move forward with confidence, because yes, for a lot of you people are going to get married very soon. And I also feel that, even if you don't have, you know anything like, you don't have any plans to get married soon, it will be like, uh, you will be getting some marriage proposals. Or if you are already in a relationship, then your partner could, approach you, and they could ask you for marriage, and things, start moving very quickly for you. Yes, because yes, the timing is very perfect for your marriage. And we also have this card that you are very close to achieving your goal. So yes, I feel that you people are going to get married very soon, and you have a very beautiful energy, a very, yes, a very beautiful marriage as well you people are going to have. Yes, this marriage will be your wish fulfillment. You are going to be very happy in this marriage. Yes, the only thing I feel is that, you know uh, that you people need to work on your career and to build your finances. And but yes, that is also going to, improve after your marriage a lot. Yes, other than that, pile 3, you people have a very beautiful reading. Yes, so that was all for you, pile 3. I hope that the messages resonates with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonates with you, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, pile 3. I hope you all have a good day. May angels always bless you all. And I hope you all have a very beautiful marriage. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.